So now that I have an understanding of the four quadrants and my different levels within them, how do I find out more detail? Well, there's two ways. Firstly, you could just scroll down to the four quadrants here and have a look in a bit more detail by clicking on the ones that you feel you want to explore more in. Or alternatively, when you're at the top of the wheel, you can click into the area and it will take you straight to that detail. And you can read a bit more of the information and then click in specifically to see how you answered certain questions within those areas. Now, the way to use this information then is to think to yourself, how can I use this to ensure that when I'm having career conversations with my leaders, or if I'm looking for work, when I'm talking to a recruiter or the person that's interviewing me, what questions can I ask to ensure that actually the way I want my career to develop is going to align into the ways in which I find work meaningful? Because the best thing to remember is that everyone's path to meaningful work is unique. And this is the best way to make sure that you find work that is meaningful for you. If you'd like a personal consultation, a personal one-on-one to discuss your profile in more detail and understand how you can have some of those conversations, please do feel free to reach out to one of our coaches who'd be more than happy to talk you through that process. Thank you very much.